felt welcome. I feel it's inclusive. I think there's topics for everyone.
So I'm a social worker. I've been to many conferences, including many COSA ASMs, and that session called The Elephant in the Room, Difficult Conversations, is, I think, the best combined session I have ever been to.
One of my favourites was Shona Edwards talking about cancer and disability. Such an important topic, and with lived experience, it was a really compelling story.
There's nothing like face-to-face interaction and the opportunity to talk between sessions and brainstorm different ideas.
I've met someone I'd spoken to on the phone. We shared a mutual client. We live 3 hours apart and we never met in person, so it was great. We were just sitting next to each other.
One of the things that gave me joy at this meeting was really a chance to catch up with my people that I've mentored over a long time, and just to see how awesome they've become as oncologists and remember how awesome they are as people.
A lot of the interaction with the oncologists I really enjoy, because as a nurse it's nice to get some of the clinical side of things.
This particular 2024 meeting has been very focused on supportive care, which has been a nice change for me anyway, from my perspective.
I went to the opening plenary, which just talked about disparities in terms of access to cancer care, both from a rural and metropolitan aspect, as well as from an aspect of Aboriginal individuals and of people from different ethnic backgrounds. And it really resonated with me coming from Canada.
I just went to a great session on multimorbidity in cancer care and looking at how factors like cardiovascular disease not only predispose to cancer but also can come about as a consequence of cancer treatment.
It's been wonderful to see the focus on equity, First Nations health, and how collaborative all of the members are.
I found the not one-size-fits-all plenary session one of the most perfectly curated equity sessions in any of the conferences that I've attended in the last couple of years.
There were many fantastic presentations. Some of the highlights include AI. This conference also have a lot of posters which gave me a lot of insights to do a project, a poster for next year.
It's been great catching up with old friends and making new friends. I'm so honoured to have been asked to co-convene.
I think it's been a really successful meeting, and I think that everybody's got something special out of it.
Come to the COSA and win days of joy.
It's the highlight of my career.
Ladies First Conference.
I've just come out of looking after yourself while looking after patients. I think that was what it was called, which I found to be a really lovely way of coming to the close of COSA. Just that reminder of taking the opportunities to spot the joy and creating reminders in my day to highlight that for myself.